These are some of the basic things I keep at home to be prepared for at least 72 hours. You don't need expensive survival food to start preparing. Simple things like white rice can last for years if stored properly in an airtight container. It's cheap, easy to store, and can provide a lot of calories. Another simple food with a very long shelf life is honey. Honey can last for many years and it doesn't require refrigeration. Even if it crystallizes over time, it doesn't mean it has gone bad. Of course, there are also ready-made emergency foods like this. They have a very long shelf life. You can eat it just like this, or you can add some water and turn it into a porridge. I also have another video on the channel where I prepare this and turn it into a porridge. If you're interested, you can check it out. Another option is freeze-dried meals like this. They are lightweight, easy to store, and can last for many years. All you usually need to do is add hot water, then you wait about 10 minutes and it's ready to eat. They also come in many different flavors, just like a normal meal. I am not going to prepare it right now, so the video doesn't get too long. But I do have another video on the channel where I prepare it and show how it turns out. If you want to see that, you can check it out. But food is only part of being prepared. Water is actually even more important. Of course, if you have the space, it's always a good idea to store some water at home in larger containers. These emergency water packs are more like a backup or an additional supply. They are compact, easy to store, and ready to drink. Another useful tool to have is a portable water filter. This allows you to filter water from natural sources if needed. Filters like this can remove most bacteria and parasites that are commonly found in untreated water. However, it's important to know that most portable filters like this do not remove viruses. They also usually don't remove chemicals or heavy metals from the water. But even with these limitations, a portable filter like this can still be a very useful backup if you need to find drinking water. Another useful thing to have in an emergency is a reliable source of light. This flashlight doesn't require batteries. You can power it manually, and it also has a small solar panel to recharge using sunlight. So even during a power outage, you can still have light when you need it. Another important thing to have is a basic first aid kit. You never know when you might need it, so it's always good to keep one at home or in your emergency supplies. These are just some simple things that can make a big difference in an emergency. We live in uncertain times, so being a little prepared just makes sense. Thanks for watching.